A very good evening to all of you, all the viewers today who joined us in this very, very interesting conversation called Cool Kids in Quarantine. And I'm so happy to have all my little experts with you who are going to share wonderful things that they do while they're at home. And I'm sure all of you are very keen to know what is this discussion all about. So Team Responsible Netizen brings these young experts together today to interact with all of you and tell us how to cope in these difficult times of lockdown. And I'm sure all of you can see some beautiful faces, happy, cheerful faces, and handsome kids on the screen. We're all going to be in this conversation. And I'd like them to introduce themselves to all of us. Because many of us, I'm going to be calling out their names. They will tell us a little about themselves, and then we will get into a discussion followed by these round of introductions. Can I please ask Sarah to talk about herself first?
Yes. Hello, I'm Sarah Gurai and I'm 9 years old.
Wonderful. Welcome, Sarah. Can I have Ira?
Hello, my name is Ira Chaya. I am 7.5 years old.
Wow. Thank you, Ira, and thank you for joining us. Can I have Jay to talk about himself?
Hello, my name is Jay and I'm 11 years old.
Wonderful. Welcome, Jay. Sonia, can you go next?
Yeah. I'm Sonia and I'm also 11 years old.
Wonderful. Ekant, can you follow her?
I'm Ekant, I'm 8 years old.
Wow. And Vivan, can you go next?
I'm Vivan and I'm 10 years old.
Wonderful. Anvay, will you be able to talk next?
My name is Anvay. I am 9 years old.
Wonderful. And we have one little one left, which is Shaunak. Can you go ahead with yours?
My name is Shaunak and I am also 9 years old.
Wonderful. So a big hi to my wonderful little experts today. And I'm really happy that all of you have spared your time with us in this conversation. So what is really Cool Kids in Quarantine? What is this discussion all about going to be? So we're going to be talking to kids about how they're so cheerful and happy in these times of distress. We're all going to be talking about, I'm going to be asking a question and I'm going to ask I'm going to call out 2 or 3 names who will answer them. Okay. My first question to you is, so how did you feel about this entire lockdown? Initially, it was only for a couple of days and then this news of extending it further. So how did you feel about all this? And can I ask Jay to start?
So first I felt elated that yay, no school. But then when it got extended, it was kind of boring at home. But then I just started reading books. So that interested me further.
So there was some amount of joy that there's no school. But again, when it extended, I'm sure it must be a little boring for all of you. How about you, Sarah? What did you feel?
I felt very sad because a lot of people were suffering from coronavirus, and I also felt bad that I could not do my daily activities like going to school and playing with my friends outdoors.
Okay, so feeling sad is such an important feeling that you feel sad for people who are in distress and also obviously not going out to play. I totally understand how that feels. Ivan, how about you?
At first, even I was happy that there was no school, but then all of a sudden, like, oh, it's so boring. What do you do the whole day?
Yeah, what do you do the whole day? I'm sure is one question that the whole world has been thinking about, and I'm sure you kids also must be thinking about it. And Ira, what did you feel when you heard about the lockdown?
At first, I was excited, but
Why?
then it got extended. I got so unhappy that I couldn't play in the park for a lot of time. So, I spend my time sometimes playing with my grandmother and parents, sometimes it's fun that way.
Okay, so initially everybody was happy and then sad and a little distressed because you couldn't hang out with friends, you couldn't go back to school. So those were times which are really challenging. My next question, therefore, is in all of this turmoil. So initially everybody was trying to understand and get used to a new routine altogether because everybody is home, nobody is allowed to go out. So, what really did you get involved in, and what all did you do? And can we start with Sonia?
Lately, these days, I've been reading lots and lots of books,
Wow. Okay.
mostly free books on my Kindle. I like to take lots and lots of books. I've always
One.
been a reader since I was very young. So I've been
Wow.
reading more and more books by the minute.
Oh, wow. So reading has become an, I think, a very extinct quality, and I'm glad that you're really investing time in reading. What about Shaunak? What do you do?
I play sometime with my toys and I read books
Wonderful.
about Harry Potter.
Wow, you're a Harry Potter fan.
Even
Yes.
I'm a Harry Potter fan. I love Harry
Wonderful.
Potter. I read a lot of
One
that.
wonderful. So what do you do, Shaunak? What kind of games do you play?
I don't have games in my phone or in my dad's or mom's phone.
Then where do you play then? You can't go out also. So what games do you play?
Uh, we have a lot of board games like Othello, Double, IQ Fit, and IQ Twist. We love
Wow.
playing that.
So the other kids, please remember these are some very interesting games Shaunak is talking about. After this, let's go and explore what these games are all about. Wonderful, Shaunak. Ekansh, what do you do?
I read books. I play carom with my father and my parents, full family.
Okay.
I play
Okay.
a lot of board games.
Okay.
Chess, Battleship, Othello, Business, Ludo, Snakes and Ladders.
My goodness, you have an entire list that is going to keep you busy all throughout the day. And how do you like playing carom with people at home?
Excellent.
Fun, no? It is great fun to have play carom. These are all lost games that we've not been playing for so many years. Anvai, what do you do at home?
I do drawings at my home. I attend my Kathak classes and I do
Okay.
some studies.
Oh, you study also? Nobody
Yes.
else mentioned about studies, and I was surprised. How come nobody is studying? And Anvai is just telling me that she also studies. But I'm very happy that they're also studying and not only studying. Because this is the time when you really, really need to have fun and also invest in all that you've been doing. So, Anvi, that's really great that you're learning Kathak and dance. But do you do that online or offline? How do you learn Kathak? Or you practice at home?
Online.
Online. Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, so all of you have been doing so many interesting things when you are at home. And so, my next question, therefore, is going to be what is it that makes you happy even when the whole world is so sad and distressed? And this I'm going to ask. Can I ask Sarah? Yes.
I read a lot of new exciting books. Some
Okay.
of my favorite authors are Enid Blyton, Sudha Murthy,
Okay.
and Roald Dahl.
Wow. Wow. And so the reading keeps you happy, is it? That's what you're trying to say.
Yes.
Oh, wonderful. Jai, what about you? What do you do to kill your time, and what do you do to be happy at home?
Of course, reading.
Okay.
Luckily, due to technology, I can also video call and see my friend's face in school that I can't see physically, but I can see
Okay.
them online. So
Wonderful. I'm sure missing friends is something
yeah.
really, really big. All of you been dealing with that, and not being able to go back to school just for friends or even go outside the house to play with friends must be making you feel really bad and bored. But I'm sure you're finding ways of doing it. So a lot of kids, like you said, are connecting over video call with friends, and that must be so much fun.
Yeah.
Yes.
Absolutely. So, Vivan, what do you do? How do you keep yourself so cheerful and happy at home?
I spend my time with my family. I play Monopoly with them every weekend.
Okay.
And I also play online games.
Okay.
And I also read a lot of books.
Wonderful. So, my next question, therefore, is going to be, do you think that children are able to manage this lockdown better than parents? Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
Oh, all of you agree that you all are better managing lockdown than your parents are? Parents are getting little irritated, is it?
Yes.
Yes.
So I want to know, why do you
Yes.
think children are handling lockdown better than their parents? Can Ira tell me why she thinks so?
My dad is so stressed out with his work, so I have some time to play on my own, and that's why I feel happy that I can control it a little better than my parents.
Wonderful. What about you, Jay?
I'm not sure whether we or my parents are handling it better, but I think me, because even though I can't organize my time better than them, I think we spend more time at home than them, at least for me.
Absolutely. And I think you're such busy people. You must not be getting this kind of free time ever till you are schooling and till you're studying. What about you, Sonia? Why
Well,
do you think you're handling it better than your parents?
I'm not exactly sure whether my mom's handling it better or I am handling it better.
Okay.
My mom sometimes seems a bit scared about the epidemic. I mean
Okay.
the pandemic, of course, it spread to the whole world.
Yeah,
And
true.
well, I'm not scared of it though. I often find myself wondering why some people are scared.
Okay. So when you see parents, grandparents in your home slightly worried, stressed, how do you cheer them up? What do you
Well,
do to make them feel slightly better, to make them probably feel happy? And Ekant, what do you do if you see people stressed around you?
I ask my parents to play with me board games
Okay.
or carom. My father only plays with me, less my mother and grandmother make food.
Okay. And that's usually what happens. Shavanak, what about you? So if you see mommy, daddy little stressed, how do you go and cheer them up?
I play board games with my parents.
Okay. And I've heard that you do something else also online. I think you are learning something different is what I've heard. And what is
Yes.
that? What is that? Something that you've been learning from some relative online, some language. I overheard some conversation that you're learning some language online.
I'm learning Japanese online.
Oh, really? And can you speak a
Yes.
little bit?
Hajime mashite. Watashi wa shounak desu. Watashi wa kyusei desu. It means that hello, and I am 9 years old.
बाप रे, अपने इधर फॉरेनर भी आ गया एक जापान से. Wonderful. So there are so many things, different things all of us are doing. And I think what we're doing is, you kids are making all us parent community and adults happy, cheerful, and therefore we are able to all stay slightly calm, cool, and manage this entire situation. Now my next question again is, I'm sure all of you are using screens now that you're at home.
Yes.
I'm sure you're using screens a little more than earlier.
Yeah.
When school hota tha, tabhi time kam milta hai.
Not little more, but actually way more.
Way more. Okay. So way more than it. So what is it that you'll engage in while you're using internet or technology, or while you're online, and what is it that you'll do? So can Vivan go ahead?
Can you please repeat the question?
What do you do online?
So I play online games.
Okay. Like
I play. This is a game called Fortnite. It's
Okay.
a really big online game.
Okay.
I play that. And then I also have online studies.
Okay. So how many of you all
And yeah, that's
study online? Just raise your hands. How many? My goodness, all of you are studying online. So you have online classes and lectures, is it?
yes.
तो तभी जब आप लोग तब ऑनलाइन स्कूल जाते हो तो टाइम पास करने को होता है क्या ऑनलाइन में? लाइक क्लास में कैसे बैठ के किसी को यू कैन राइट, यू कैन पिंच, यू कैन मेक फन, तो वो ऑनलाइन सब होता है तुम्हारे साथ, सबके साथ?
Yes.
No.
होता है ना?
Yes.
In a different way.
In a different way.
Yeah.
Ira, can you tell me what happens there?
In online class.
Yeah. How do you have fun in an online class?
I feel happy because nobody complains about me.
Okay. Oh my God, that's a big one. Yeah, I can imagine. Sarah, you have something to add when you
Yeah,
attend your online class?
when I attend my online class, there's nobody disturbing or telling do this, do that. If you want to skip something, you can just skip it and go ahead.
Oh, wonderful. Skipping is what fun. No, in class, you can't tell the teacher, ma'am, just skip and let me go. No, it's such a different feeling altogether. What fun. What fun. So, what are the other activities that you'll engage in online? Jai, what do you do online?
Recently I've started taking a liking to quizzing.
Oh,
So
wow.
I've been watching like old records of like Bonvita quiz.
Oh, wow. Wow. And Anvai, what do you do online other than your dance classes?
Um,
Anvai?
I learn songs on YouTube.
Songs. You learn songs online. My God, wonderful. I think even Ira learns songs online. No, she learns music, right? Ira,
I was
you
into
sing.
music.
Yeah, you
That's
like
why
music.
my instinct that I sing all
You
is
sing.
found in my dad's room.
Oh, wonderful, wonderful. And what about whom have I not asked any question? Do anybody wants to add what they do online? Just raise your hand so I can ask them. Anybody wants to add? Is anybody ask? Yeah, Shaunak, what do you do online?
I watch cartoons. I learn Japanese language, and
Okay.
I watch educational videos
Okay.
and just relax.
And just chill out and relax. That is so important, man. I agree with you totally. So I want to come to Shaunak. I will come to Sarah and to Ekansh both. So after this discussion, I want you to teach me some Japanese. Will you do that, please?
Yes.
Whenever you are free, थोड़े time के लिए मेरे को थोड़ा बहुत सिखा देंगे तो चलेगा ना?
Yes.
Wonderful. Yes, Sarah. What were you trying to say?
Yes, I play Housey online, and
Really?
then yeah, I learn a lot of things like making cookies.
Oh wow! And have you
Online.
made them?
Yes, I made them yesterday.
And did they come out just the way they're shown on the videos?
Yes.
Wow, superb. Ekansh, what about you? What did you do?
Watch movies on Prime Video, cartoon movies.
Can you name one or two? Which did you watch?
Two.
Oh, that is all-time favorite Motu Patlu, no?
Yeah.
Anytime you can keep watching Motu Patlu throughout the day. Anybody else? Yes, Ira. What do you want to share?
Sometimes online I research scary stuff, fun stuff.
You research.
One of the scary stuff is Bermuda Triangle.
My God. People are researching at this age. I did research probably when I was 30-year-old. Your kids are superb, man. You are so encouraging.
I research in fun stuff. I research plants like aloe vera.
Oh, okay. And its uses and how you can use it, etc.
Yeah.
Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, so many things that we've been doing online also. I want to ask one very important question. Now, all of you know that we work a little bit on online safety with children because we feel it is very important that children are safe in cyberspace, correct? So I'm going to ask each one of you one tip that you can give us to be safe. And if you cannot think of it now, you can share them later with us. Will do?
Yes.
Can we start with one tip that you use for yourself to be safe online? Okay. Can we start with Ira because she's raising her hand?
So, one tip to be safe is to know what you are doing, and in case you're near a knife, be careful what you're doing with it.
Wonderful. Being careful and knowing what you're doing.
You need
Very
to
nice.
know who is contacting you.
Okay. Very
Whether it's a fake call or real call.
okay. My God, too many tips coming in. Okay, but there are very important tips that I'm going to redo a little later. Yes, Anvai, please go ahead.
I activate the kids mode in my father's tab.
Wonderful. That is, can you tell us what that means? It is such a big word. बाकी के तो मालूम ही नहीं है क्या है. What is Activate Kids Mode? Do you know what that is? Can you tell little bit about it?
There is an app for kids.
Mm-hmm.
So
There is
kids
an
can
app.
use that app.
Very good. So that app keeps you safe, is it?
Yes.
Wonderful. Sonia, what do you do to keep yourself safe online?
Well, ma'am, one thing I know is that I shouldn't watch anything that appears to be inappropriate. Sometimes people put bad things online or things that might be fake.
Okay.
You should know what you need to believe. If you believe
Wonderful.
false things and spread them, it would be bad.
Very nicely put. You should know what you view and come again. What did you say? You should believe. No, what did you say?
You should know
You
what to
should
believe.
know what to believe.
You should
Some
know
things
what
might
to
be
be.
fake, some things might not be fake. There
Wonderful.
are many people who like to put fake stuff online for the fun of it.
Sonia, I'm going to use this quote of yours, which I found very, very interesting. Thank you for this quote of knowing that you should know what to believe in. Brilliant. Yes, Shauna, what do you do to be
We
safe
should
online?
not share passwords to strangers.
Absolutely. And whom should you share it with?
Nobody.
अरे पेरेंट्स बेचारे पेरेंट्स रो रहे हैं पीछे बैठ के उधर.
Yes, we can share with
We
them.
should share. You have to because you're a very tiny kid. So parents
Yes.
must know. Otherwise, who will protect you? Yes, Ekansh, what do you do?
We should, our parents should know what we are doing. We should tell our parents what we do online.
Wonderful. So do you all tell your parents what you do online?
Yes.
Brilliant. That is superb. Ivan, what do you do? How when you use Fortnite, when you use other games?
Yes.
1 minute. Ekansh, yes. Can you come in again? I didn't hear you. We can't hear you, Ekansh.
And apps should be password protected.
Apps should be password protected. Responsible Netism team बच्चों को ले लीजिए सिखाने के लिए. उनको अपने से बहुत ज्यादा मालूम है मुझे लगता है ऐसे. Yes, Vivan, what do you want to share?
That whenever I play Fortnite,
Yeah.
so there is this thing in which you can play with your friends.
Yeah.
So whenever I play with my friends, I always lock the party so that no stranger can come in the party.
Wonderful. Such an important and critical tip for games that you play with strangers. Why? Because we
Yes.
don't invite strangers at home, correct? So
Yeah.
even online, you cannot have strangers coming into your game and trying to
Yes.
bully you, threaten you. Brilliant tip that you use, Vivan. Wonderful. Who was missing? Who has not shared anything yet? Can you raise your hands? I can come to you. Any online tip that you've not shared? Yes, Sarah. Go ahead. Yes, Sarah.
The tip that I want to share is that if you get an unknown message, you should never click on it. First, you should inform your parents before responding.
Brilliant. Absolutely. Because you never know who it is coming from and what the intentions are. Wonderful tip. Yes, Jai. What about you?
So I think that when you go to a website, you should check whether the lock is there or not. If it's not secure, you shouldn't use it.
Wonderful. So where is the lock seen?
It is seen where you search for
On the
what you
URL.
want. Yeah, there's a lock.
Very good.
If it's not locked, then it's not secure.
It's not a secure website. Absolutely. These are such critical tips. And I'm so happy that all of you know about these important things that you at your age must know. Do your parents know these tips?
Yes.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Not
Yes.
sure.
I think
Yes.
I think आज रात को उनके साथ एक quiz आप ले लो to see how much they know. I'm sure you know more about the online world more than them. एक questionnaire करो तो सही उनके साथ to see how much they know. I'm not instigating anything. I'm just trying to understand whether your parents also know. Your father is? Ekansh? No. Okay. So these are important, very, very wonderful tips that all of you have brilliantly shared with us. My next question to you is not a question really, but what are the happy things children should be doing? What should kids do to be happy? Because we've seen there is so much sadness everywhere, and when I see such beautiful, charming, happy faces, I want you to give messages to children to stay happy. And what are those messages for them? Who would want to go first? And I want one message from everybody. Yes, start, Ikansh.
You should suggest them to play board games
Okay.
and help our parents cook in household
You're breaking. And what was the last thing you said?
activities.
Help in household activities. My God, from the entire 8 kids, you're the only one spoke about helping parents. Please थोड़ा मदद कर देंगे तो बहुत अच्छा रहेगा, है ना? मम्मी डैडी को मदद करेंगे. They will be so happy that our बच्चाs are helping them. Brilliant tip from you. Ira, I will come to you. Sorry, I missed you, Ira. Come. What you do? What message would you want to give people to make them feel happy? Children.
So they should just keep calm and wait for the lockdown to. Also, they should read books to pass time.
Okay. So how do you keep calm, yaar? Give some expert advice on that.
Keep calm by just thinking about happy thoughts.
So sweet. Thinking about happy thoughts, happy memories. Anvai, what do you want to say?
I play with my grandparents so that they feel very happy.
This is so sweet because grandparents are getting very, very worried. Nobody is talking to them. They can't go out. So playing with them, talking to them makes them calmer, makes them more happy. And in this entire process, all of us in the house are happy. Sonia, what do you have to say? Sarah, I'm coming to you. Just give me a minute. Sonia, what do you have to share?
Ma'am, one way to stay happy is try not to be a what ifer. If you try to think, what if we get coronavirus somehow, even though we're careful, that will just make you even gloomier.
Absolutely. So what do you feel and what do you think?
Never be a what ifer. That's something that everybody should know.
You know, I'm going to steal all your quotes, Sonia. I love what you said. Don't be a what ifer. I've never heard this before. Superb. Yes, Sarah, coming to you.
It comes from Roald Dahl stuff.
Oh, wow. Yes, Sarah.
We should stay calm and cooperative.
Okay. And what do you do? How do you cooperate with everybody?
We should not spread bad rumors, like telling I will get coronavirus, I'll get this or that.
So important. You should not spread rumors. Absolutely. So many people are spreading these bakwas rumors everywhere, and which is creating so much chaos, so much fear, so much tension and stress. Okay, I agree with you, Sarah. Yes, Vivan. What advice would you give people to stay cool, calm, and happy?
That they should spend time with the family.
Okay.
And they should not go out of the house.
Not go out of house. Very important. Not go out of the house. That is one mantra. Absolutely. Shaunak, what will you do? What would you say to them?
We should just stay calm and we should follow the rules to stop the coronavirus.
We should stick to rules. Very, very important. When you see on TV, people are just going out on the roads. They don't follow rules. Very important to follow rules. I absolutely agree with you, Shaunak. Yes, Jai.
So I think firstly, do activities that you enjoy,
Absolutely.
and also think that coronavirus does have an end.
Absolutely. It better end soon, and it does have an end. So we were talking to a lot of people and they said, yes, it's going to end, but we just need to be slightly more patient, like all of you are suggesting. Yes, Ira, what do you have to say?
So when you are doing one thing, focus on that and be happy.
Okay, so don't do 10 things at a time.
Yeah.
Great mantra. Anybody else wants to add their expert mantra? Any other mantras that you want to add to people? Any other
Stay
tips?
calm.
Stay calm.
Stay safe, stay home.
Stay home.
Stay
calm.
safe.
Wonderful.
Home.
Stay
what
safe.
you- Absolutely.
Stay safe.
Okay.
Stay sane.
Sane. My God, the stay sane is a bigger one that is coming. Wonderful. Yes, Ira. What do you have to say?
So you should. So when you want to be happy, then be happy. And also do the dab when you sneeze, cough, or yawn.
I didn't hear you. Sorry. Do the
Dab when you sneeze, cough, or yawn.
cover. Yes. So these are all, I'm sure you have learned these tips by heart, no? Because you've been watching this over and over again. You've all learned them by heart, but you're also ensuring that you follow these at home. Very, very good. So when we're all, so we are talking to so many children, and children understand that these are difficult times for all of us. We're all trying to cope with it, but we're all also trying to stay happy. And I think that is one very important message that all our little experts have been giving to people about staying calm and being able to stay happy. Jai, you want to say something? Yes, Jai.
Yeah. So I wanted to add that also this is a great time to spend time with your family.
Yeah.
While we're not allowed to go out.
Correct. So we don't really get so much time with our family otherwise. So we must captivate on that. Absolutely agree. So there is one common message that we've come out with for everybody, and that is stay home, stay safe, stay strong, stay happy. Can we all do a chorus on this?
Okay.
Yes, when I say
fine.
1, 2, 3, we'll go ahead. Ready, everybody?
Yes.
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Stay
home,
stay
stay
safe,
safe,
Strong.
stay
strong,
strong,
and stay
stay
happy.
happy.
Wonderful. So I really want to thank all of you, wonderful little gang of mine and experts of mine, to have come and spent some time with us and giving brilliant tips to all the adult and other children across the world on how we can all come together and how we can combat or how we can live through these difficult times that we are in. Lots of love to all of you. Thank you to all your parents for having you on board here. Thank you and take care and bye everybody.
Thank you.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye bye.